Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start with the foundation, perfectly prepared sushi rice. In this video, I will explain how to make avocado sushi. First, rinse 2 cups of sushi rice until the water is clear, then cook it with 2 1/4 cups of water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoned vinegar mixture while the rice is still warm. This gives your sushi its signature flavor and texture. Next, let's prepare our star ingredient, the avocado. Choose one ripe but firm avocado and carefully slice it into thin, uniform strips. This ensures a smooth roll and even distribution of flavor. Lay 1 sheet of nori, the shiny side facing down, onto your bamboo rolling mat, ready for the rice. Now for assembly. Gently spread a thin, even layer of your seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori sheet, leaving a 1-inch strip bare at the top. This bare strip will help seal your roll. Arrange your avocado slices horizontally across the rice, slightly below the center, creating a neat line. Time to roll. Using your bamboo mat, carefully lift the edge closest to you and roll it tightly over the avocado, pressing firmly to create a compact cylinder. Moisten the bare nori edge with a little water to seal the roll securely. Finally, with a sharp, damp knife, slice your beautiful avocado sushi into 6 to 8 equal, bite-sized pieces. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.